Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Queen's Blood. This engaging card game challenges you to outwit your opponent on a 3x5 grid. Your primary objective is to secure more lanes than your rival by the end of the match. Each card you play possesses a unique power value and can influence surrounding spaces, adding a layer of strategic depth to every move you make. Understanding these core mechanics is your first step to becoming a master. When it's your turn, you'll select a card from your hand and place it onto any open space on your side of the 3x5 board. Remember, each card you play not only occupies its own cell, but also extends its influence to neighboring spaces. This can either boost your own pawns or weaken your opponent's. Strategic placement is key to controlling the board and setting up powerful combos for future turns. The heart of Queen's Blood lies in managing power across the 3 distinct lanes. Every card you play contributes to your total power in its respective lane, and some cards can even modify the power of adjacent spaces. To claim a lane, your accumulated power must simply be greater than your opponent's. The ultimate goal is to win at least 2 of the 3 lanes, securing your overall victory in the game. To elevate your Queen's Blood gameplay, consider these advanced tactics. Prioritize controlling the central lane, as dominance there can often influence the outcomes of the side lanes. Strategically deploy cards that enhance your pawns or disrupt your opponent's setup. Furthermore, constructing a well-rounded deck, featuring both high-power cards and those with versatile abilities, will significantly improve your chances of victory against even the most formidable adversaries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.